Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Oz from Ozzy's Music Academy coming at you with another chord tutorial for guitar. This tutorial is going to be for the E minor shape. E minor only uses our middle finger and our ring finger, so take a quick look. Both of these are going to be in the 2nd fret, and we're going to start with our ring finger on the 4th string. Pause it if you need to. Ring finger, 4th string. After that, we're going to put our middle finger right on top of it on the 5th string. 2nd fret, 5th string. Good, and this is going to be our E minor chord. Here's a little bit of strumming practice for you. 5, 6, 7, 8. All 6 strings. Keep playing. This is Oz, Ozzy's Music Academy. Like, subscribe, comment. A world with more music sounds beautiful. Peace. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends. Check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.